Compliance, audits, CAPAs, regulations, approvals. These words can send even the most veteran quality professionals into a panic, but it doesn't have to be that way. Enter MasterControl. MasterControl is a quality and compliance management system that helps companies navigate through regulatory red tape, get their products to market faster, and increase their bottom line. A complete suite of integrated software modules makes this possible. Let's take a brief look at 5 key modules in the MasterControl platform: Documents, Audit, CAPA, Supplier, and Training. Each module is powerful on its own, but together the complete platform literally turns the burden of compliance into a business accelerator. First, let's look at the Documents module. Inefficient document control and document management not only create a significant drain on costs and resources, but can also cause serious compliance issues. With MasterControl's Documents module, you can track and organize all your documents electronically, reducing cost and eliminating compliance and audit headaches. The module handles every type of document, regardless of the software used to create it, and it helps keep you in a state of compliance that meets and exceeds FDA, ISO, and other industry-specific global regulations. Efficiency skyrockets as shuffling paperwork back and forth is replaced with automated routing, delivery, escalation, and approval of documents. And if a revision is needed, you can submit comments everyone can see and share. You can even collaborate on the same document. Any changes made are updated universally, and only the most current version of each document is available for general user access. The automatic archiving system still keeps a record of revision and approval history, but eliminates the mistaken use of obsolete or outdated documents. MasterControl also allows for multiple lifecycle statuses, timed lifecycle movement, and flexible approval rules, enabling companies to simplify workflows. With the web-based MasterControl system, you no longer have to continually replace paper copies in every binder and folder across your organization. And smartphone and tablet compatibility means you always have access right in your pocket. Let's look at just one example of how the document control software connects to MasterControl's entire system. Say you have a customer complaint. With MasterControl, you have an efficient automated path from that complaint through all your interconnected quality processes. A validated customer complaint can be used to launch the necessary issue review process. Based on those findings, you can launch a CAPA to resolve the issue. CAPAs can generate an updated document request, and then you can push out those changes to your workforce using a training task. The centralized, secure repository also makes it easy to search and retrieve documents during audits or inspections, so you never have to deal with misplaced documents again. Now let's take a look at the Audit module. Whether performing audits or receiving them, MasterControl's Audit Management module gives you the confidence to be completely prepared with an integrated paperless system that collects and shares info across multiple platforms, managing the audit process from start to finish. The software provides an effective solution for any number of audit requirements or types: internal, external, FDA, ISO, GCP, quality, and more. The software helps you create checklists to standardize processes, filter audits by type, and generate global trending reports. Planning, scheduling, execution, report creation, peer review, response collection, and closure are easily achieved and managed through MasterControl Audit. The simple drag-and-drop calendar helps with the initial stages and is especially efficient in avoiding scheduling conflicts. Later in the process, full quality events such as SCARs and CAPAs can be launched directly from audit findings, and your suppliers can receive and respond to audit findings on the web-based platform. You have the advantage of an automated system that seamlessly collects and shares info across suppliers, risks, and studies. An audit finding can be used to initiate the relative nonconformance. Based on those findings, you can launch a CAPA, which can generate an updated document request. Those changes can then be automatically pushed out, ensuring that they are efficiently adopted by your workforce via MasterControl's Training module. All of this streamlining of processes vastly increases productivity while ensuring compliance and keeping you audit ready. Let's take a closer look at how MasterControl's CAPA software efficiently manages the corrective action and preventative action process. When quality events arise through any number of channels, such as nonconformities or deviations, your quality manager uses a risk-based filtering process to determine if they can be resolved with precise containment actions or if an issue should be sent through the CAPA process. MasterControl's robust, straightforward CAPA system is not only connected to all your quality channels, but downstream processes as well, such as change control and training. A CAPA form can be initiated directly from any quality event, seamlessly transferring relevant data, which helps eliminate human error and reduces data entry. The software can then produce a variety of reports, like issue summaries, aging studies, overdue items, and cycle time. And data can be summarized in multiple levels so that CAPAs can be reported by product, department, root cause, and a host of other attributes. The event analyzer can track and compare quality events across multiple channels, automatically alerting the CAPA manager of a trend that may not otherwise be identified. With the CAPA module, you can launch the necessary regulatory reports, such as an EMDR, directly from a verified customer complaint. The complaint launches an issue review, which allows the CAPA coordinator to assess risk. Based on the risk assessment, you can close the issue out for monitoring, or launch a CAPA or SCAR to resolve the issue. CAPAs can generate a change control, and your workforce can be trained and verified all within the closed-loop quality management system. So wherever the quality event comes from, and whatever corrective or preventative action is needed, the CAPA module enables efficient investigation, verification, implementation, and validation. And CAPA coordinators can easily monitor the entire quality management lifecycle from input to correction to effectiveness checks. Your CAPA module extends to your supplier corrective action request process, which brings us to MasterControl's Supplier module. This module helps wrap all vendor-related documents, specifications, scheduled supplier scorecards, risks, quality events, and audits into one integrated quality management system. Regulated businesses must accurately qualify vendors and track approved vendor lists, as their suppliers are only qualified to provide specific products and services. Traditionally, this can become problematic when approved vendor lists are spread across multiple departments or divisions and tracked manually with spreadsheets. With the Supplier module, vendor lists are tracked and approved in a centrally connected location. Users are able to configure templates based on vendor type, making them easy to add. Furthermore, individual goods and services can be added, then linked to specific suppliers. And if the supplier is not approved, the link will be automatically disabled. If you need to collect responses from individual suppliers due to an audit observation or specification change, the secure Guest Connect feature allows you to invite them into the workspace to offer edits or comments. Risk files help you identify the risks the supplier introduces to your system, as well as strategies to reduce those risks. The data contained in the risk file feeds into an overall risk score that helps determine how often audits should be conducted against the supplier. Advanced reporting capabilities track overall supplier ratings, approved services, supplier scorecards, and contact information regardless of vendor status. The Supplier module helps you qualify, maintain, and document any event or deviation involving your suppliers, and then it shares and updates that information throughout the entire closed-loop quality management system. Next, let's look at MasterControl's training module. When updates or changes are necessary at any point within this system, MasterControl's training module ensures compliance, documentation, and efficiency in implementing those changes. The training module manages the entire training process with automated routing, tracking, and follow-up. Each step is incorporated into the module, including the administration and grading of online exams. Test results are then kept on file to be easily accessible in the case of inspections and audits. Ongoing certification and continuous verification keep training up to date, so companies don't need to rely on supervisors to remember which tasks have been completed and which haven't. Verification of tasks are sent to multiple users, so if one supervisor is unavailable, another can step in to verify completion. The advanced analytics and reporting capabilities provide both standard and customized reports to show the status of any given training program. Any training deficiencies that could threaten compliance are automatically flagged. Integration with other modules ensures compliance in a number of ways. For instance, a CAPA that causes a change in product design or function will automatically assign new training tasks to all affected employees. And a new or edited document, once approved, will not be released until appropriate personnel have been trained. If questions arise regarding personnel competency, you'll always be prepared with the correct documentation. From project plans to approvals, from manufacturing to change control, and everything in between, MasterControl's complete quality management suite keeps you moving in the right direction, forward, improving quality, reducing risk, and getting your product to market faster. And the modules we've touched on here are only 5 of dozens of interconnected solutions built from the ground up on a common platform that MasterControl offers. Discover what thousands of MasterControl customers have already experienced for themselves. When you do compliance right, it becomes much more powerful than just compliance. It becomes a true competitive advantage for your business. MasterControl. Compliance accelerated. To learn more, call 1-800-825-9117.